In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad account. Gumroad is a platform that lets you sell digital products, memberships, and other content directly to your audience. So the very first thing you need is an account. Let's walk through the full sign-up process together, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Gumroad sign up and hit enter. You should see the official Gumroad sign-up page appear near the top of the results. Click on that link, and it will take you to the sign-up screen, which is connected to the Gumroad dashboard you'll use later to manage your products and sales. On this sign-up page, you'll see a field where you can enter your email. Click into the email box and type in the email address you want to use for your Gumroad account. Ideally, choose an email that you use regularly and have secure access to, because you may need it for verification and important notifications about your sales, customers, and payouts. Next, click into the password field. Here, create a strong, unique password that you don't reuse on other websites. A good practice is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Taking an extra moment to choose a secure password will help keep your account and your future earnings safe. Once you've entered your email and your password, look for the button that says Create Account and click it. This tells Gumroad to register your new account with the details you just provided. If everything looks good, Gumroad will process that information and move you forward. If you prefer a faster option, you can skip typing an email and password manually by using one of the social sign-in buttons. On the same sign-up page, you'll see options to sign up with platforms like Facebook, Google, or X. Clicking one of these will prompt you to connect your existing account and authorize Gumroad to use it. This is often quicker, but make sure you're logged into the correct social account before you continue. After you've completed the sign-up, you should be taken straight into your Gumroad dashboard. From here, you can access your settings to verify your account and start setting up your profile, payouts, and products. The overall process is designed to be quick and straightforward. So within a few minutes, you'll be ready to explore Gumroad and begin building your digital